Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Pula Modeler. It's been several months since my last video and a lot has happened, but I'm thrilled to finally present this 1/400th scale white space model that took me 5 months to build. This particular model is a Bandai kit that was originally released in 2003. It was designed not only as a model kit but also as an action base for the Gundam collection figures. Sadly, this was a short-lived series by Bandai, and to my knowledge, only 3 different kits were ever released: the White Space, the Musai, and the Poltomeo from Gundam 00. While I'm uncertain about when I'll have my opportunity to work on the Musai, let's hope it won't take me another 20 years to get to it. The design of this White Space model remains true to its animated counterpart, with minimal panel lines and no Katoki treatment. However, I took the liberty of adding some small details to certain areas of the ship and modulating some panel colors to make this model more visually captivating. Since this is a no-gray model kit, there were many components that required left and right parts assembly, resulting at least 5 major areas where I had to glue the parts together and carefully removing the seams. Given the larger size of this model, I had no excuse not to incorporate lights into it. Although Bandai did not provide any lighting kits specifically for this model, there were certain areas where modifications were more obvious and relatively straightforward. One such area is the hangar base for the 3 robots, where Bandai included some interior details. To enhance these details, I 3D printed railings and added them to the existing structure, along with a panel to block off the unfinished end of the hangar. Additionally, I scratch-built the ceiling of the hangar and installed 6 small LEDs to illuminate the space. There's also the main hangar where the gun parry is located. Since Bandai only provided a floor panel in this area, I took it upon myself to design and 3D print 6 additional panels and a ceiling, incorporating 10 LEDs to create a more complete and dynamic display. To make the model even more impressive, I modified the 2 megaparticle cannons and placed 2 LEDs inside each cannon. With the wiring designed in a way that allows for easy swapping of the yellow part, the model can be displayed with or without the megaparticle cannons, providing different visual options. Moving on to the engine blocks. As the engine covers are removable, I took the opportunity to install 8 blue LEDs in each block to simulate the mesmerizing engine effect. If you enjoy content like this, I kindly request that you hit the subscribe and the like buttons. It was a long and rewarding journey for me to complete this model, and I sincerely hope you appreciate the final result. I'm also considering creating a short video tutorial on how I designed the hangar panels using FreeCAD. If you're interested in such video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.